Options. Here, we are going to see the options in Excel 2010. In this video, you have to understand what is possible to accomplish with the options that are part of Excel 2010. Changing the option setting affects the current workbook and all future workbooks and all existing workbooks. Excel will work without you adjusting any option. Excel may reply unpredictably if you adjust options without knowing what you are doing. To open this options in Backstage view, go to the File tab. Click on Options. Here, you can see the separate window called Excel Options. The first one is General, having very common features. Here, you can determine what type of color scheme you want for Excel. There is the option of Screen Tip, which is very useful for a new learner. Formulas play a major role in Excel. We will speak about it in a separate video for more understanding. Proofing is required to check text in your data. You can make changes here, like if you want to check the uppercase words, you can turn that on. The Save option is related to saving your data. The most important feature in it is Auto Recovery, where you define how much data you are going to lose. Next one is Language, which is used to check the spellings. Here, you can add languages to an Excel spreadsheet if you want to create it in multiple languages. The next one is the Advanced tab, which consists of a powerful feature. But be careful while making changes because if you say OK, it will affect the version of the software. Customize the Ribbon tab allows us to customize our ribbon in Excel according to our requirements. Quick Access Toolbar tab is where you can customize the toolbar by just selecting what we want and click on Add or remove them. Add-ins tab allows us to manage our add-ins in Excel 2010. So you can select it and make changes to it. The last one is the Trust Center, which is very essential in increasing the security of the computer. So be careful about changing the settings of the Trust Center.